Hi everyone, my name is Donna and I'm one of the Youth Services librarians at the Hamilton East Public Library. And I would like to do one of our science experiments that we have done with our Pre-K Explorers program. We are going to make a mini volcano. The items that you're going to need is a vase, or you can also just use a glass, a pie pan or a cake pan to catch the mess that the volcano is going to make. You need some baking soda and you need some vinegar. You need 2 tablespoons of baking soda and half a cup of vinegar. We're also going to be putting in some food coloring just to give it some color. I chose red. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to put in our baking soda in our vase. Now count with me. This is 1, 2. Goes right in there. So we're going to use our food coloring, and we're going to do about 6, 7 drops of food coloring. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here comes the fun part. When we put in our vinegar, we're going to put it in very quickly and it's going to explode. This only works if you have vinegar and you have the baking soda. So here we go on the count of 3, and then I'll pour it in. 1, 2, 3, and there it goes! Now, you can also put some glitter in there to make it a glittery volcano. Like I said, this is just one of the experiments that we like to do at our Pre-K Explorers programs. And I hope you can do this at home and have some fun with it. Bye, and thank you very much for joining me.